Check all accessories. Remove the protective cover. Install the armrests on both sides. Install the backrest. Wires connection. Connect the control panel. Connect the power cord. After pressing the red button and hearing the beep sound, the recliner will be powered on and ready for operation. We provide a detailed instruction manual covering precautions for product installation, usage, disassembly, maintenance, after-sales service, and other related aspects. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any time.